Milo's tip of the day: use your time wisely. How many times do you say, where did my day go? Now, the chances are you've probably wasted lots of time scrolling on media, gaming, procrastinating, or maybe going back to the fridge or the food cupboard for the 10th time. Then before you know it, the day's over and there you are on the sofa, binge watching and vowing that you're going to do better tomorrow. Does that sound familiar? We've all been there. But what about doing a time inventory? So for 2 or 3 days, keep an hour-by-hour journal of how you spend your time. That includes your work, school, exercise, meals, social media, and that procrastination. Then analyse it and create yourself a new daily plan. Because guys, the bad news is that time flies. But the good news is you're the pilot. So use your time wisely.